So, if you haven't already done so, the title of classwork will be called Volume of Composite Figures and Word Problems. So go ahead and write that down. I'm just going to move straight on ahead, so if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so right now. So what are composite figures? Composite figures, so a figure or shape that can be divided into more than one of the basic figures is said to be a composite figure or shape. So in this case, we have different shapes in both of these figures. So while these are two-dimensional figures, we'll be working with volume of composite figures that are three-dimensional. So for example, in this one on the left, we have two different shapes in here. We have a rectangle, and this is not a square because these sides are not congruent. So we have a rectangle right here, and we do have a semicircle right here, so half a circle. So we can find the area of this using the area of half a circle. So that would be pi r squared times 1/2. And then we can also find the area of a rectangle over here using width times length. Likewise, on the figure on the right-hand side, we have two different shapes. On the left side of this figure, we have a rectangle over here. And then on the right side, we have a triangle over here. So we can find the total area of this figure by finding the area of this rectangle, then finding the area of this triangle. So we can find the volume or area of composite figures by separating the different figures contained in each composite figure. So breaking it down and finding the area of each figure and then adding them up, or finding the sum of those two. So go ahead and once you are done viewing this, you may move on to the next video. So nothing to write down here. Just keep this important information in mind when we move on.